My grandpa always told me there's things you need in life, and one is an electrician, one's a machine repairman, and one is a pipe fitter. So that kind of sparked my interest, and I decided to pursue the path. I found Allison Transmission through my father-in-law. He worked here since he was 19 years old. To me, Allison Transmission is more than just a job, it's more like a career. So they pay me to make sure that these machines are up and running at any given time. We look at it as the production people are our customers. So if there is a problem, they call us out there, we troubleshoot it the best and as fast and safe as possible to get them up and running. What makes me most proud of what Allison does is the way they involve everybody, from the production person to the skilled trades all the way up to the upper level. We're always learning, we're always advancing new technology. So Allison Transmission is not just a normal job, it is a career. Once you are hired in at Allison Transmission, you will never have to look for another job in your life. If everybody here is doing their job the best that they can do, to the best of their ability, then we will provide the best automatic transmission to our customers.